Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Abdul Rashid. I am from class DKM 4D. My metric number is 09DKM20F1102. Today I will talk about the 3D printing. This is my group mate. Myself, Muhammad Nabil bin Abdul Rashid, and Iqmal and Aziz. In my part, I will talk about additive manufacturing. The additive manufacturing is the method of creating physical items out of layer of material like concrete, plastic or metal. This is a procedure that makes use of specialized tools and software. The software will first create a design known as a computer aided design, which is CAD. The process of making tangible object out of several layers of concrete, plastic or metal, it is a process that uses specialized hardware and software. 3D object scanner will command hardware to place material in precise geometric shapes layer by layer. There are 7 types of additive manufacturing, which is wet photopolymerization, material jetting, binders jetting, material extrusion, powder bed fusion, sheet lamination, directed energy deposition. That's all from me. I will give Iqmal to continue the slide.
For the next content is types in 3D printing. Number 1 is stereolithograph, which is SLA. Number 2 is selective laser sintering, SLS. Number 3 is fused deposition modeling, FDM. Number 4 is digital light process, which is DLP. And multi-jet fusion, MJF. Polyjet direct metal laser sintering, DMLS. And last is electron beam melting, which is known as EBM. So for the next slide is what is FDM, SLS and SLA. FDM produce a 3-dimensional item by layering in extruded thermoplastic filament that has been heated to its melting point. Second is Scott Crumb, co-founder and chairman of Statistic Ltd, a leading provider of 3D printers, which is he developed the technology behind FDM in the 1980s. Next is produce and use parts, especially small, specialized production tools and intricate parts. Next is even the food and drug industry can use thermoplastic. Next is FDM is a well-liked 3D printing technique within packaging the medical field. How FDM works? Objects created with an FDM printer start out as computer-aided design CAD file. Before an object can be printed, its CAD file must be converted to a format that a 3D printer can understand. During printing, these materials take the form of plastic threads or filaments which are unwound from a coil and fed through an extrusion nozzle. The nozzle melts the filaments and extrudes them onto a base, sometimes called a build platform or table. Next, we move to SLS. SLS, the advantages of SLS? Number 1 is fine features. Number 2 is smooth surface finish. Number 3 is ultimate part position and accuracy. Number 4 is mechanical attributes like isotropy. Number 5 is water tightness. Number 6 is material versatility, the SLA 3D. So next we move to the SLA 3D printing workflow, which is number 1 is design, print and post process. So we move to the SLA. SLA, known as wet photopolymerization, commonly known as resin 3D printing. These machines are all built around the same principle, using a light source, a laser or projector to cure the liquid resistant into hardened plastic. The main physical for SLA is differentiation lies in the arrangement of the correct components such as the light source, the build platform, and the raising tank. The SLA 3D printing workflow design first is design, next is print, and third is post procedure. So that's all for me. Thank you.